Today we're going to be taking a look at the Trident 3 Arctic from MSI. This is a compact gaming PC that offers quite a bit in the specifications department. It is a unit that was released last year, but the firm has updated it for 2018, which was announced during CES. That model is not yet available, so we'll be taking a look at the 2017 version, which has an i7 7700, a GTX 1070, and it also comes with 16 gigs of RAM. So we'll go ahead and start the unboxing process here. As you can see, it does come in an exterior box, which is just plain brown, which actually hides the standard packaging inside, which has the desktop itself, a gaming keyboard, and also a mouse. So let's go ahead and get this removed. Once removed from its exterior shipping package, you can see the footprint of the retail box is actually quite small. Again, this is the 2017 model with the 7th generation Intel i7700 processor, the GTX 1070 graphics card, and 16 gigabytes of memory. Let's go ahead and dig into the actual product itself. Once you get inside, the first thing that you'll see is the large power brick for the unit itself. And underneath that packaging is the actual PC. Once removed from its packaging, you can see that the footprint of the PC is quite small. In fact, the actual power adapter that comes with it is about a quarter of the size of the unit itself. And we can actually see that here as a comparison. So you can see that this unit is actually fairly small when compared to a traditional desktop PC. Now there is a stand that'll allow it to be propped up vertically. That was not in this box, but there is an option for that. You can see the top, sides, there are plenty of vents. And then on the front, we have I/O ports for the mic, headphones, USB Type-C, and there's also an output for HDMI in case you're interested in doing VR. And then on the rear, we have additional ports as well, as you can see right here. So despite its size, there are plenty of ports on this computer, which should make anyone happy. Inside the box, there also is a mouse, which you can see here. It is a gaming mouse, so it does have weight adjustments. The weights are located on the bottom rear of the mouse, and it does have a wide range of customizations. And once you get in, you can see that the weights are right there. And these can freely be removed and customized to your liking, depending on how light or how heavy you'd like your mouse to feel. Along with the mouse comes a keyboard. This is the MSI DS4200. And it is quite large, but gives you a lot of space. Also has a built-in wrist or palm rest. This does light up, so there is RGB illumination on this unit. And also a little dragon logo in the top right hand corner. MSI Gaming on the left side, and you can see it's a good design. It's fairly large, should be comfortable to use. This is something that you'll hear more about in the hands-on and also the full review. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Trident 3 Arctic. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Otherwise, we appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.